Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the Cortana search button or search bar on your Windows 10 computer. So you can see it's right down here. So if you just want to hide that view, it's very easy to do. Just right click on your taskbar in an empty spot, and then left click on the Cortana entry in here. If you just want to show the Cortana icon button, just left click on that option, and you see you have a little Cortana button that will appear when you click on it. If you want to completely remove it, just left click on Cortana and then left click on the hidden option. And now if you wanted to search anything in the start menu, you just would left click on the start button and then just start typing in. So you don't actually have to wait for the bar to come up, you just would start typing once you have the start menu open here. So pretty easy and cool trick to know about. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.